In the mudroom because I had to ask my wife, hey, do you have 2 hat hangers in stock by chance? Looked over here and we made this cool bench, right? But like I hang out my coat and then I had 2 hats hanging up here. And I'm like, what am I doing? Hello? I made a thing for these. My sons have been working. He's got one here. He's wearing this one and he lost that hat, but they are working. So these are our hat hangers, and I got white because they're gonna go right here on the side of this IKEA cabinet. So it's really easy to mount. I just put the command strip on the back, and then I'm just gonna put it where I want it, which I think is about right there. And then I'm gonna put the other one up. And you just wanna make sure to put it up, far enough down so that the other hat isn't right on top of it. And then I can put up my avalanche hat there, and there we go. It's actually really good for me to have them out and displayed like this because I'm the type of person, I'm really visual. If I don't see it, then I completely forget about it. And even right here, sometimes like if it's not like right in my face, then I forget about it. And I do like wearing hats every so often, so having them here works out. If you need something like this to organize your hats, then check them out on SuperheroDIY.com. We got a bunch of different colors too.